think I would have got out. There's the ground right there. It's been a while. Oh, this means I'm gonna have to go to work now. Just a real bad drift right here. Looks like it's actually not that deep on the road. It's just gathered in here real bad. Right here, it's only a couple inches deep, but just right there, it's deep as a man. Freedom. I'm moving. I'm going to Florida. See you later, Corey. Thanks. I'm going to Florida. Yeah, I get an Uber. Oh, look at this. Oh, that's great. Still getting our mail. Got rid of our last snow. I don't think I'll be taking the flatbed out for a little while. I appreciate it. Is it this? It's like this all over town?
Oh yeah.
Is it?
Some places worse.
Oh man. I'm moving to Florida. I just called an Uber.
Yeah.
As soon as it gets here, I'm out. Probably next week sometime. I appreciate it.
I've been in here since 9:30, 9:45.
Just doing your place?
My place, the neighbor's place, your place, my mom's place. I drove this all the way into town already.
Thank you. This is real life and death, folks. I mean, if it's like this everywhere in town and you have an emergency or you need something, you didn't get enough food, your furnace quits, you don't have enough medicine, that's all it takes. Luckily here in North Dakota, people are pretty helpful and kind. I'll have to do something nice for Corey for blowing my snow out. I'll have to do something nice for my other neighbor that keeps me pushed out all winter long. I wonder when my Uber's gonna be here. No, you gotta have good friends with some heavy equipment if you want to live out in rural America and not have a piece of equipment. That's a real tractor, real pulling power. Corey spent a lot of time and money getting that tractor going and keeping it going. I wonder if that oiling is probably coming from Corey's tractor. A little hydraulic leak somewhere maybe. I knew it was too clean to come from the van. Just think about it. He could be in his recliner, kicked back, relaxing with a nice plowed driveway right now, but that ain't Corey. He said he's been out since 9 o'clock this morning plowing everybody out in town. You can just back in and push it out into the bushes.
Well, if I get your pickup moved, I can hook the blower up and blow it out.
I don't know why.
The thing is, we might put some rocks out there.
In my beautiful grass, that'd be a shame. No, I don't care. I was just gonna say, if you want, instead of taking buckets, you can just push that way. And
well, we're supposed to get another 3 to 5 inches Saturday and Sunday. So, and if it's piled up there and the wind blows out of the northwest, you're gonna be full.
Well, whatever you think. I don't.
That's why I'm putting it back here. If it drifts, it'll go across the backyard. It's hard, very hard.
Byron showed me, sending me pictures. He's not. He plowed himself out to 23, but whole state's like this. I think we're gonna be shut down for about a week.
I gotta work tomorrow.
Pushing snow and stuff. Well, at least they didn't make you come in today.
Well, that's the plan, is tomorrow. As long as the highways are open, we can get out of town.
Oh, you're gonna be moving equipment instead of moving snow?
No, I gotta move snow. Out west to the back.
Well, get out of your way here. I just was gonna say, if you want.
That should be shallow enough now to get your board in there. Maybe get it back around.
Oh, did you get my pickup out?
Yeah, I got a rope here.
Okay. You gotta break the auger loose too?
No, it should be spinning. Switch hoses.
Oh. It's a 3-point, isn't it?
Nope. No.
Oh, it doesn't have a.
Homemade down here.
Oh, it doesn't have an actual.
Yeah.
So you lose your loader bucket when you do that, then?
Yeah.
You can put like a splitter in there of some kind, or?
To split each one is like $500.
I forgot it gets like this sometimes. I was hoping it'd be melted by the time I woke up.
You and me both.
Guess this means I have to go to work now.